Okay, so this is an update for our second day of filming, and some of the problems that we faced and some of the good things that have happened. Okay, so first of all, one of the good things is that we're in a small group, so it means there's less people to organise, and it means that time management is easier. And so, yeah.
Since we already had a shooting script, oh yeah, and filming was easier, and we didn't have to waste a lot of time because we already knew the shots and like what would happen every scene, so it'd be quicker, and we didn't. So
yeah. And also, like we knew what kind of shots we were going to have, so we knew that we had a variety of shots, and it also meant that we could take a few more shots than we needed, so when we came to editing, we wouldn't run out of shots.
we already had 2 locations because obviously the plot is about a boy and a girl, about the similarities and stuff. So we had both locations, so it was good that we could film in different places without changing one of them.
Yeah, and the two locations were like close to each other, so it meant that we could easily film like in both locations without having to travel too far between the two of them. But then on the other hand, some of the problems we faced are the camera played up a lot. So
The battery died.
Yeah, like 5 minutes into our shooting, it ran out of battery, and then so we had to use a second camera, which wasn't as good. It's just a little digital one, and like obviously that doesn't fit onto the stand, so
we used our initiative and got a book and rested it on it.
Yeah.
To like pan and stuff. And
like we tried to make it as good as we could, but I think we're gonna have to reshoot some of the stuff that we've done, just to make it to make the continuity better, because also the it's not as good like quality. Yeah. So then when we put it together, the first part and the second part are going to be.
You can tell there's a difference.
Yeah, you're going to tell that we use two different cameras. So.
Yeah. Also, the weather keeps changing. So when in the first part it was sunny, so then it kept changing. So it looks like we've done it different days. So we have to wait till the weather changes.
And finally, like organisation, because obviously today there's only two of us, and then in the first time we did shooting there was only one of us, and then now there's only two of us, so it's just hard to organise, cause especially when it's like not on a school day. If it's like at the weekend or something, organising all three of us to be there is quite hard.
I agree. And then because the deadline's on this April the 2nd, like we need to fit it all in. So obviously it'll be more pressure to get it all done.
Yeah, and we need to like leave time for editing. So like it's quite hard to know how long you're gonna need to do the editing.
We've got 16 days.
And then yeah, like you don't know how long you're gonna need to do the editing, so you don't know when you need to finish the filming by. But yeah, we're just trying to get it done as quick as possible. We'll keep you updated.
Alright, bye.
Bye.